Hey guys, it's Scott from SamCart, and today we are here with awesome SamCart customer, Vanessa Santos from WeAllGrowLatina. You guys can check her out at WeAllGrowLatina.com or at Instagram handles and things like that at WeAllGrowLatina. Her and her partner, Ana Flores, have an awesome story, an awesome community, and Vanessa, super excited to share with you. So thanks for chatting with us.
Thank you for having me, Scott. And thank you again for providing such a beautiful platform to allow us to get our payments.
Love it. I love it. That's exactly what I like to hear. So Vanessa, give us a short version about who you guys are, who you serve, what is the mission of We All Grow Latina?
Oh my God, yes. Think I'd be happy to. At We All Grow, we serve to ignite the voices and dreams of Latinas through the power of community rooted in friendships, because we know that when one grows, we all grow. So our membership community is all about the intersection of well-being and entrepreneurship. We believe that they are mutually beneficial and exclusive. They're the best partner you could ever ask for. And in order for you to thrive and succeed in life, you have to take care of the innermost self. And that is what we offer through our Elevate community.
Love that. Amen. Oh man, that speaks to a really good part of my soul. So Vanessa, let's talk about your story with SamCart, how SamCart helped you guys. There's a membership thing that we brought to the world here in a little bit ago, but let's talk about this really quick. You guys you weren't with Sam. If you back up 30 days ago, 45 days ago, you guys weren't with SamCart. What brought you to SamCart? What was life like before? And what kind of got you searching for something like SamCart?
So we had always wanted to create a safe space where Latino entrepreneurs can converge, focus on their well-being while growing their business and not sacrifice their mental well-being. And we currently have our Amiga community hosted on a different platform. And we were trying to figure out all of the ways to monetize, and it just wasn't working out. And so I thought, what better place than YouTube to start Googling and searching what are the best checkout platforms? Having previously worked in fintech, I know the payment space really well. And I knew that the current platform we were utilizing wasn't the best to serve our customers and to serve the multiple products that we wanted to be able to pay to charge our customers for. And so after some due diligence, some research, I even created a master list and I compared 12 different checkout platforms, and SamCart was just the obvious winner for so many reasons. One, it allowed us just to seamlessly embed the checkout to our sales page, which is really key. Keep our branding, which is also really important, and just provide one-click checkout so that our customers don't feel like they have to have an extra click to be able to access our Elevate membership. And life before was very interesting. We had the beautiful fortune of being able to grow our community organically. We've never spent a dollar on advertising and marketing. And we knew, again, we wanted to provide that seamless experience because we are held to a high standard, and we set that on ourselves. We want to create these beautiful safe spaces for our community to gather, to connect, to talk to one another. And we wanted to make sure that the entryway was absent of any barriers. And so that is what led us to utilize SamCart as our checkout partner for our Elevate membership.
I love that. Awesome. And you guys have a really unique experience. You guys came in, you actually worked with our implementation team. So you worked with Will, who's here right now. He's in the kitchen, by the way. He says hello. He wanted to say hi. Yep. And I would just love this. What was that like? You know, that you came essentially to come and get some extra help in setting things up and all that kind of stuff. I'd love to hear you just talk about how that went.
Absolutely. So we had 3-day turnaround time to soft launch. And in the middle of the week, it was Wednesday. I just knew what we were trying to work with and integrate all of these other payment checkout systems just was not going to be feasible for us. So in the middle of that Wednesday, we reached out to the SamCart team and I was like, we just need a done for you option. Does that even exist? And I was like, oh, it actually is called the done for you. Like, actually is that service. And I immediately sent an email
for you, Vanessa. Let me tell you. Yeah.
It was so fast. I got an email response back, set a meeting, had a beautiful sales call. Within a matter of 24 hours, I paid. We got connected to William and we said to William, we have a week to launch. We need to make this happen. Luckily, William received our entire to-do list of everything we needed to do, from messaging to copy to positioning of logo, branding, the different types of membership types. And I think that was the special reason why we wanted SamCart is we wanted to have a founding member access point to serve as our soft sale before going into a hard launch. And we had different payment types as well, membership based that are annual upfront and also month to month. And so we needed to have different ways to be able to receive payment again to meet the customer where they are. And William was just really helpful. And the team was incredible because within a week, we had our entire checkout mechanism set up and integrated and then connected to our CRM, which was also really important, and also connected to our membership platform so that the moment they hit checkout, they receive those welcome emails and can actually access the membership space.
Love that. Absolutely love that. And I think that bleeds perfectly into your guys' first 24 hours.
Yes.
was pretty electric. I just to give the people a preview, in your guys' first 24 hours of a soft launch, at that point, you guys raked in just a little under $13,000 in collected revenue. What did that mean for you guys? Like, what did that change? What did that signal? What was that day like for you?
So the funny story about this, Scott, is we actually had a massive glitch. Otherwise, that number would have been 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
So we don't do promotions. We don't do ads. We really much serve the community. We have our beautiful email community in our container. We sent them an email. We were like, we are going to give you a quick blueprint and look into what it is that we're planning next. If you want to join us on this date, we had 1 hour to present to them. 10 minutes in, we realized that we forgot to upgrade the plan so that people can actually join our live webinar. So we had over 1,200.
Wow.
We had over 1,200 people register and only 300 were able to access. And then because we had tech issues, our screens were frozen. We kept dropping on Wi-Fi. By the time we got through our presentation, I only had about 8 minutes to present Elevate and to get all those people to convert and to check out. Because we said, if you join us now, you'll be able to access this limited pricing that we were offering for our founding members. And it was within that period of time that we were able to get all of those members. And what that meant for us was being able now to, one, subsidize the cost of bringing in contractors to help support and continue to nourish the community. Because right now you're looking at customer support, you're looking at community manager, community engagement, CEO, partner, all of the roles, and just being able to have that revenue to provide support, have somebody support me so that I can just focus on the vision. It's life-changing, actually.
Love that. Absolutely love that. Here's one of my favorite things, just to get into some stats now at this point.
I love stats.
Is sort of looking at your guys' account. One of my favorite things was, again, it was the strategy of allowing people to join your guys' membership monthly or giving them an option to opt for yearly. And so for you guys, the price points are it's $44 a month or $444 for the year.
That was the founding member early access that we only held for 2.5 weeks. And so actually, I think within those 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we hit over 40K in sales.
Talk about that number and not me, but I love that. Here's one of my favorite things that you guys did was just by making it easy for people to go ahead and do that exact thing, right? Who's going to upgrade, who's going to not, is that 37% of your customers opted for the yearly billing, which is an electric amount of extra cash collected upfront for you guys. Talk about having that flexibility obviously made you guys a bunch of money. Like, how does that change your math equation, your business, the level of investment moving forward?
Oh my gosh. Now we know and understand the importance of working with key strategic partners, SamCart being one of them, and investing upfront and actually having that customer support. For us, that was really key. We are a really lean but nimble team. And just essentially, William is our honorary WAG team member. And that for us is a very big bonus because for the minimal upfront cost of that investment, we essentially have that support throughout the year. And I just find that to be astronomically valuable, given how many times we can actually access William, how many times we can speak to him. And now any single time we have a new rollout, a new product or something else we want to charge, being able to collaborate with him to get that up there so the community can actually buy the moment we want to offer it is incredible.
Heck yeah. Absolutely love that. Exactly why the team's there. I love hearing that so much. One of my other favorite things that I pulled from your guys' account there was that even though you guys were new to SamCart, the SamCart world is, again, not something you guys haven't been selling on SamCart for a long time. You have 29% of your customers bought using our stored credit card functionality, which is electric. One of my favorite things. And I think one of the reasons why your overall conversion rate was north of 15% in this first kind of 30-day period you guys have been selling on us. So talked about the customer experience. Our whole premise is make it easy to buy and more people are going to buy. How do you feel like that played out for you guys?
We love the fact that we could have multiple different payment types. There's people that want to utilize their wallet. I, for example, never carry my card in hand. I will never memorize the numbers. So if I'm not able to just purchase with one click, if there's so many different obstacles to buy, I'm going to disengage. And so that for us is really key, was the flexibility of having different type of payment wallets, payment types, so that it serves the community and creating a customer hub. So the community also feels like their credentials are being secured and they can renew when they want, or they can utilize that space to continue to enhance their account, their membership.
Absolutely love it. No, Vanessa, it's a wonderful story. I love what you guys have done, essentially of building and investing and now turning around and having this opportunity to monetize for the first time in a way that you want. And clearly the results speak for themselves. Absolutely love that. Vanessa, people are going to watch this video who are thinking about checking out SamCart. Maybe they're evaluating us for the first time. Maybe they're hearing about us for the first time. What would you say to that person given what you guys have experienced here?
For somebody who has worked in product and in tech roles before, and now somebody who manages a beautiful team of Latina diverse women, UX UI is huge for us. And one of the big differentiators for us was the UX and UI interface of SamCart, was the ease of use of the customer portal, of the settings, of being able to adjust and edit something as simple as my checkout screen and my receipt and the emails that get sent to customers. We're all about customization. That's what really makes our community super special. We speak to them in a very conversational tone. We were friends because we know that the human touch matters. And there were a lot of other platforms that just felt really Craiglisty for us. And the UX UI just was not serving it. And we're all about simplicity. We're all about clarity. Then the SamCart functionality, just the platform itself, being able to look at data, being able to onboard and create the product SKUs was something that actually happened really fast. Obviously, we had the support of William, but then once he onboarded us, walked us through how to do it, now I'm going in there, ooh, what other products can I add and add as an upsell?
Exactly right.
Yeah.
Exactly right. Yep.
It's easy to use.
Love that. Absolutely love that. Vanessa, please tell the people if someone wants to go check out what you and Anna are doing at WeGrowLatina.com, where else can they go engage with you guys? What should they know about you guys? Where can they find you?
If you are somebody who wants to honor your well-being while growing your business to thrive with ease, come meet us at the Amigo Hood, where we want to serve you, support you. And you can find us at WeAllGrowLatina.com/elevate, where you can join us as a member, and you're going to experience how easy your checkout will be so that you can hurry up and benefit from our conscious programming and thrive with ease.
Love it. Absolutely love it. Vanessa, thank you so much for coming and sharing your story. By all means, go to WeGrowLatina.com and check out what Vanessa and Anna are doing with their community over there. And if you guys want to check out anything else about us, we'll put the link down below to check out both Vanessa and SamCart, all that good stuff. Vanessa, thank you so much.
Scott. Bye.